Hi everybody. Today I have that one's companion. I have the Beatbot Sora 30. It goes together. Well, you can have it by yourself, but the best thing that I ever did was to pair it with the skimmer. So that takes care of the top. This takes care of the bottom. This is amazing. It goes all the way down and works in different patterns. It goes up on the walls too, and it climbs. It has this threads that are really good to climbing. So it cleans the walls and goes all the way to the water level. And it's a smart one, so you can control it with your phone. Yeah, I'm gonna put the sample here of how you do it. You can put it on your phone, or you can just let it there be there and work by itself. It has up to 5 hours to work, and it works on any shape, whether it's this rectangular one or a free-flowing pool. It'll work on any of them. Again, you can choose whether it's just the pattern on the bottom or the walls or both. And so I'm going to put it in the water right now and show you how good it is. So with a very powerful vacuum of 6,800 gallons per hour, it's one of the most powerful out there. So now that I put it to work a little bit, just to show you guys, I want to show you this amazing size filter. A 5-gallon capacity filter. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest. Look at that. Not only does it pick the leaves and any small branches and stuff like that, but there's sand. So it picked up all that sand too. So as fine as your sand is able to pick up, and all that already picked up. So when you're ready to go, you just rinse this and just put it back in there and you're good to go. It has the AI system so that it can set up the pattern. It has obstacle avoidance so that if anything on your pool, it will try to avoid it. The battery is at 10,000 milliamps battery. So again, this will last about 5.5 hours, 5 hours, and it charges really quickly. So the Beatbot Sora 30 together with the Beatbot skimmer or iSkim, uh, you don't need anybody else to come and clean your pool. It's done by this too, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees. You don't have to pay anybody else. Keep it clean and free of anything, leaves, sand, whatever, hair. So again, Beatbot and Sora 30. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, because I really do.